eyeshadow like that.
Oops.
Wednesday. Okay. Oh, this is one of my favorite songs from It's That Time. Yay. Yay!
Remember, you were like, your song is so Jamaican for like the first 3 minutes.
No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right here. Bob Marley! She's the kind of girl that you see in the movies. She knew it, but she's the next. Down by the shore for a weekend of the summer. Try to take the chance and just ask for a number. Why is it red? Song in MTV. Go this way.
Did you not see over?
No. I'm gonna wear a Backstreet Boys hat.
Oh my god! My birthday! Oh my god! Catch it! Catch it! It's oh my god!
It's a stupid cell poster.
Shut up!
But you got a fucking A on it. You get A's on everything.
Oh my god! My bodyguard!
It's Backstreet Boys. Is that Big Rob? Oh wait, he's white. Never mind. Then just I'm sorry. Rebelde. Fine, I'll put your. I'm not gonna break it.
Record me.
Okay, hold on.
I look like dumbass, huh? Or a
Dumb and Dumber. I'm not dumber. I'm gonna wear these because this is the first time, the last time I'll ever wear this.
Dude, my hair.
1 minute.
What are you doing with my metal?
I've never had one of these. No, I look like a bum. You just have one hobo. I've never had one of these in my life. And I never will. So I'm wearing them now. 5 minutes and she's where I wanna be. Dude, he turned so older now. He's kind of older. His song was #1. Jesse Metcalf. Whoa, Jesse McCartney. Catch her in the ride. Sometimes I wish that I could catch her eye.
I'm a celebrity.
And I can be that guy. Who are you supposed to be?
Who wears glasses?
Ashley Tisdale. Hayden Panettiere! I'm losing.
Ow, my hair has like
What the hell was this?
It's the part that's broken off. Don't make fun of my poster. I mean, my project.
1 minute and the earth begins to shake.
So much
2
for
minutes and
being
the heart begins to break. Oh, this is your cell. Okay. I love this.
This is a cell too.
A Backstreet Boys cell?
Yes.
Like,
It's on the back.
what the?
The nucleus is Howie because he maintains peace within the group. I'm not kidding. I got an A. Don't laugh.
What's their bodyguard's name? This is the funniest shit I've ever seen.
The cell
Who
wall
makes
is
cells
their
out of Backstreet
unity.
Boys? That's tight though. You're really creative. You're really creative. No, more
Chat
Mandy.
that help me.
No, put on like something else. Hold on, let's see. What song?
Stop recording for a minute. It can't too big for you.
No, is it have been tendon?
3.
This beautiful boy right here. Tie that to my horse. Tie that to my horse. No, you're not. But
Endoplasmic reticulum. That's funny. Mitochondrion.
I should do
Let
it.
me guess who's who. Okay.
It's not that hard.
Joe can be the vacuum boy.
No.
Or the
You know what
Golgi
the
body.
vacuum
Takes up stuff. He takes breath out.
I don't even remember.
Okay. That's AJ. This is so easy. Wow. Wait. Did you draw these? I think an Asian person drew these. You were so weird, dude. You were the weirdest kid I knew. I could drop you. I'm sorry, Joey. Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh my god.
Hold on, don't play it yet.
Okay, fine.
LA loves JB is tight. Do 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 do. Ready? Now I'm the king of the swingers. Oh, the jungle VIP. I reached the top and had to stop. And that's what's bothering me. That's what's bothering me. Wanna be a man cub, yeah. I stroll right into town. I hella grew up with this movie. I love it. Mowgli,